Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to qualify for Stripe Capital. First and foremost, you can't just apply for Stripe Capital like a regular business loan. It's an invitation-only funding option. This means your eligibility is constantly being evaluated by Stripe based on one core principle: how you use Stripe. From my experience, the best way to qualify is to focus on making your Stripe account look like a stable, low-risk business partner. It's all about the data you generate. Here are the no-fluff, straightforward actions you need to take. 1. Be consistent and process volume. This is the biggest factor. Stripe needs to see that you are a reliable source of transaction volume. You need history. The hard minimum requirement is processing on Stripe for at least 3 months, but aiming for 6 months to a year of solid, consistent performance will dramatically improve your chances of receiving an offer. Meet the minimums. You generally need to process a minimum volume, often cited around $5,000 per year, and an average of $1,000 per month over the last 3 months. But don't just hit the minimums. The higher your processing volume, the better and larger your offer is likely to be. Push all your sales through Stripe. If you're using other payment processors, move that volume over. Stripe's evaluation is based only on the data it can see on its own platform. 2. Maintain a healthy account. Stripe is looking for a low-risk investment. This involves maintaining a clean financial profile on their platform. Keep your dispute rate low. Chargebacks and disputes signal risk. Work actively to minimize these by having clear refund policies, excellent customer service, and solid proof of delivery for your goods or services. Avoid holding large negative balances. This is a clear red flag. Keep your payouts and financial standing with Stripe in good health. Have a steady transaction record. A consistent, steady flow of payments is better than huge spikes followed by long periods of zero activity. Stability is key to their underwriting model. 3. Connect your bank account. While not a published requirement for everyone, securely connecting your business bank account to your Stripe account can give their underwriting models a more complete picture of your financial health. The more confidence they have in your business's overall stability, the better your chances of receiving a strong offer. In short, there is no application. Your application is your Stripe processing history. Be a consistent, high-volume, low-dispute business, and you will eventually receive a capital offer right in your Stripe dashboard. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.